This Futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. I just said all that without unmuting the mic. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. ES, 45 points in range. NQ, 202 points in range. Copper, 320 ticks. Ultra bond, just about a point. Gold, about 23 points. Crude oil, over 3 points in range. Big range there. Natural gas falling. And Bitcoin, sitting about 62.5. So that's where we sit stand there. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning or this evening in case of Rod. Good morning, Rod. How are you today? Or tonight? Moving up. I think we're gonna get better price action today. I just got that feeling by the way the overnight looks. There's no news this morning. Well, I lie. There's a little bit of news. Canadian U.S. trade balances are coming up here in about 26 minutes. Shouldn't be a market mover, but who knows anymore? Boop, 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 boop. Pulls back here. Would have been a nice, quick trade there. Oh yeah, I forgot about those. The big news in the prop world. Scott from Fast Track has agreed to do an interview with me. Don't have a time set up yet, but hopefully that will happen this soon. Down to the 100 EMA. Morning, Chris. How are you? So yeah, that should be very interesting. Very interesting. Bounces off the 100 EMA. I'm doing okay, I think. Having some gastrointestinal issues. I think it's settled, but we'll find out. Yeah. A one-legged ox hopping to the bathroom is not a fun sight. What did I do? Blue candle trying to pop there, not working. Didn't trust the purple there either, so we're right in the middle. I am on corner. I think I'm having issues with cheese, honestly. I think I might need to give up the dairy. Which would traumatize me. Still falling, should have trusted the purple. Nice fall here. Still falling. Honestly, you know, my gastro issues, my gastro system, I guess I should say, has never gotten totally 100% right after the harsh antibiotics I was on back when I had my amputation. So, still hoping that gets right eventually. I did start a probiotic and then I stopped it again. I need to start it again. I need to get back on all my supplements. I've been very, very lazy. Lack of a better term, lazy. Thought about taking the long there. I have a feeling I'm going to regret not doing it. We'll see. Oh, yeah. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing today? Rising. Sitting here at the 9. Honestly, Crypt, I think the price action looks pretty good right now. Hits the 9, comes back down. Hang in there. Got a little bit of news coming up in about 11 minutes. Morning, Platt. How are you doing? Awesome. Thank you. Pulling back down to these, down the 72 area. Let's see if it bounces or it continues down. It's gotten down here a couple of times. Here we got down to 69, 69. So there we go. See what it does here. That's still falling. Whoosh. Small whoosh. Small whoosh. Just don't mix them up and accidentally smash the coffee cup. Hey, if you do, remember you can order a new one from MightyOxTrading. Morning, John. How are you doing? I'm sure you're pretty happy about that Tiger win yesterday. All right, Creft. See you later. Yeah, I mean, that guy's been pretty much unhittable all year. Yeah. Casty is he sucked the first half, and the second half he's been one of their biggest stars. Hang in here. 20,070. Yeah, it's a must win because tomorrow they have Ranger Suarez, who has just been horrible in the second half. Rising up. Or trying to. 5 minutes still news, less than 5 minutes still news. That is amazing, John. It's amazing, and yet it's a kind of a sad state for Major League Baseball altogether that playoff games are bullpen games. It's just dumbfounding in a way. That's very true. I mean, there are some exceptions, like Wheeler the other day. I mean, not that it did any good, but still falling, or it's not falling, but bouncing, or whatever it's doing, going the other way, reversing. That's the word I'm looking for. And down it comes. So far, my only real missed trade was, I missed this one because I was just coming on air. This is the one I missed, unfortunately. Oh yeah, UB's just falling. Not afraid of falling. Nice job, John. I think it is. I need to look at that, but yeah, I tend to do better pre-market and then give it back after the bell. Often. The thing is I end up taking less risk pre-market, smaller trades, and then of course, because usually it's moving slower, so then like I can end up erasing two good trades with one bad trade after the bell. So I think I need to increase contract size in my pre-market trades. Yeah, it might not be a bad idea, Plot. Gold really taking a fall. Almost 7 points down the last few minutes. So I was right, the news was a nothing burger with cheese. Okay, yeah. Well, John, you'll love what I have coming up then. I'm not sure what day yet. He hasn't given me a set time. But Scott, CEO of Fast Track Trading, has agreed to do an interview with me. They're 3 weeks behind on payouts, so the king may have an issue, which is one of the things we'll be discussing. Took the long. Morning, Speed Racer. Yeah. Gonna be very interesting. I never expected him to say. I never expected him to say yes. Okay, well, yes and no. See, here's the thing that got us worried. Let me get out of this trade, and then I'll read it. What got something he said yesterday, and then he corrected later on. But something that really got us concerned. Hold on, let me try and figure out if this wants to go any further, or if it wants to stop here at the 20. I feel like I should have taken the 10 ticks. There we go. Come on. Rise up for me. Doesn't want to go. I'm out there 10 ticks. So, there's our first win of the morning. Wish I had been on 2 contracts. So, yesterday morning, or Sunday morning, I think it was yesterday. All these days run together anymore. My Discord's been an absolute... But anyway, he said on his Discord, here's the real. It's going to take us 7 to 10 days to get current on all payout backlog. At that point, we'll be able to easily sustain whatever 3 to 4 day payout commitment. But this is the thing it said that got us concerned. Kellyanne and Matt were right that we have about 3 to 4 million in cash reserves. We also have 7 to 900K in recurring revenue. So that's a wrong term, because they don't have recurring revenue. What he meant was that's what they bring in daily in sales. But where she was wrong is that we don't have 15 to 20 million in payouts. It's more like 8 to 9 million. So basically, right there, he's saying he has 3 to 4 million in cash and 8 to 9 million in liabilities. So more than double liabilities than cash on hand. And he says, which using the timeline above is covered by our recurring alone. That set off red flags to me and a lot of other people that they were going toward insolvency. Because if you're relying on the money coming in to cover your already the amount that's already promised outward, that's a big, big red flag. He later in the day, about 8 to 10 hours later, said that the payout amount outgoing was only like 3.8 million. So whether he realized he screwed up by being that transparent or he just didn't have the right amount, I don't know. Yeah, exactly. So he like I said, he revised it downward to where the cash on hand basically equals the amount going out. So that said, I almost pulled him. I did pull him off the Discord, and now I'm just giving warnings. I still have them up for the most part, but I'm putting out warnings that they are behind by 3 weeks on payouts. But so we're gonna talk about this. I've promised him when I asked for the interview, because I asked through Sage, his COO, and I'm like, I'll do firm but fair. I'm not going to troll him like a lot of people are trying to do. I'm not going to do anything like that. But I'm not going to just be his mouthpiece either. I'm going to ask him firm but fair questions. And they're going to be, questions that need to be answered. Oh, yeah, definitely. And that's why I'm, like I said, I've come close to totally pulling them 3 separate times. I'm long here, but I'm late. Let's see if it goes back up. I'm going to ask him about a lot of things, like the doxing threats, the overall tone, all these various things. We'll see what kind of answers we get. Because, you hear a lot of people that have talked to him personally, and they say when you talk to him one-on-one, he's like a teddy bear. So it's like, we'll see. We shall see how it goes. Like I said, I'm waiting for Sage to get back to me with a time. I told him I'm personally available anytime as long as it's not during my live streams. So, yeah, this is a bad trade. Because I got in so late. I got in 2 points late. I mean, it's bad either way, but... Yeah, it's probably gonna be my most viral thing ever. I mean, I have a feeling it's... I've already kind of warned my Discord mods that we're gonna need to be vigilant, because it's probably gonna bring on a lot of people that spend time over their Discord. Hey JC, how you doing? I should get out of this trade. Well, too late now. So I got the stop out there. I'm doing good, JC. Oh yeah, that interview should definitely be fun. May still be getting an interview with Mark Skelton as well, even though he already did that one with Rod. Not our Rod, Rod Casilli. Still falling down to 20.060. Should have retaken that purple candle down. That would have worked. Ah, Ace missed the train. Now, is that direct CQG or is that just Tradeify? Tradeify uses CQG, but it's not directly from CQG, and I'm not exactly sure the difference, but I've been told that a direct CQG is better than Tradeify. And so far, I'm only aware of one prop that has direct CQG, but a lot of props have Tradeify. So yeah, anyone that's using Tradeify is using a CQG connection. I'm not sure what Tradeify does to it though that makes it slightly less quiet. Well, I think it's just that somehow it pipes through Tradeify, so and I think it gets congested there, I guess. Lately, I've been hearing a lot of good things about DX feed as well. Yeah. So sitting here, we're about 12 minutes until the top of the hour. Pulls back to the 9. Morning, Ghost. How are you today? Being a ghost, is this your time of year coming up on Halloween, or is it annoying? He's gonna smack me. Ooh. Yeah, you need to be picky to recover from that. That's yesterday was hard to trade. I didn't even, I normally I trade after stream. I think I took two or three trades stream. They were all losers. Thankfully, I kept them small, and then I didn't look at it again. Of course, I also fell asleep about 1 p.m. my time and didn't wake up until after the market had closed. uh, yeah, scare them. Morning, Rad. Choppiness as we head toward the top of the hour. They say curiosity kills the cat. Coming back down. Hey, A6, no, I have not. From what I hear, they just instituted a whole bunch of rule changes, but I guess you're probably grandfathered into the old plan, so. Yeah, keep me posted. Red Book never does anything. Of course, now watch it go 50 points today, but yeah, I've never seen Red Book do a thing. Tomorrow morning, not much news either. We do have two Fed speakers on the docket. You're hearing chicken frying, actually. This mic seems more sensitive than my last headset. My computer is in the kitchen because this house is set up weird and breakers tend to blow elsewhere. One of my 2025 goals is to perhaps find a new place to live. Good, A6. Yeah, we got some more statics coming out. We got one firm that's like 100% static account that I haven't started promoting yet, but it's gonna work. I gotta look into that. And Uprofit has some new statics out, but I've heard that the actual the platform that they're using kind of sucks. I should really try it out. It's like really cheap. See, nothing with Redbook. Well, this year has been life-changing, Platt, with the affiliate stuff. Now I want to get the trading going and finally start getting some payouts there. And I gotta still work on getting my personal life in order, getting my health where it needs to be, and all that. I mean, I feel more confident in my trading than I ever have as well. I just need to start translating that into getting to where I need to be. be trying to bounce here. Ooh. Pop. Missed it. Well, maybe. I took the long. Shouldn't have had. I forgot this was the top of the hour. That pop was right before the top of the hour. This was a mistake. Well, we'll see. All right. Everybody's along with me, eh? Let's go. Market, it's time to roll. I do like that candle. I need to change that Nightbot back. The Bulenox actually stayed 90%. They faked me out with a fake expiration date. Nice, JC. Reducing my risk to the bottom of that last candle. So it's 4.25 points. I don't like that purple candle that's forming. Slightly purple ending there. I don't know. Yeah, ouch. So I'm out. 4.5 point loss. Now it's probably going to bounce back up, but another blue, where it was for a second. We'll try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Long again. Are we all long on different assets? Ghost, are you on ES? JC, you're on YM. Yeah, I use EMA. getting chopped up. Come on. Rise up. Oh, tried to rise up, got smacked down hard. "25 minutes until the bell. If this closes purple, I'm getting out." Good morning, RJ. I said I was going to get out that closed purple. It did close purple, but then it shot back up right away. So I'm going to do, I'm moving my stop up to the bottom of that purple candle. Which is now a 4-point stop. Blue candle here, so nope, momentum got knocked back down. Should have maybe taken the break-even trade. Stopped out again. These last couple of days have just been suck. It knows I'm on a funded account now. So I should never trade my funded accounts. Just keep collecting them. Joking. Did you ever take a trade yesterday, RJ? Bounces again. Ugh. Don't like this price action. Don't like it at all. There's the rise up. Morning, Ace. How are you? Looks like they're still falling, too. How's Ace feeling today? Look at this nice rise up. My cat's saying good morning. I'm doing all right. And Q up to 20,075. Still just kind of hanging here. Market's waiting for the bell, I guess. Yeah, I can't say I ever have, but that's interesting, Ghost. Uh, Chicken, actually, Ace. Fried chicken. You missed the train earlier, Ace. About a half an hour ago. Good morning, Mr. G. How are you doing? Are you staying through Milton?
Good morning, Mr. Burrell. I haven't used it, but I heard that the platform you need to use is clunky, has issues. But I have that's just been, from other people. Morning market trends. You all come in on the same bus? Mr. G, I'm going to assume you're not going to be here tomorrow. All right. Definitely keep me updated, G, on what you do and how you're faring. All right, Ace. It's a shame there, JC, but at least it wasn't a red trade. Purple candle here kind of enticed me. Enticing failed. TradingView is a good platform. I notice if I use TradingView with Trade of 8 and I try to enter trades on TradingView, I get lag. I have not used whatever I haven't used whatever connection they're using. I probably should if I have to figure out if I have time, but I probably should just spend the $39 and or whatever the Uprofit account costs just to try it out for myself. Got to remember the Top Step X and all that. Those are all based off of TradingView as well. So it's not just TradingView. It's these companies are figuring out ways to use the TradingView engine, and they're making modifications to make it theirs. So those always work out. Ace. So yeah, with Tradeify, I enter and exit my orders using Tradeify, but I'll move my stops and my targets and all that on TradingView. You like a MotoWave, JC? It's one I have not used at all, and I mean I should, just because I should get, in my opinion, I should be getting knowledge of every possible platform in some way, just to help give, because people always ask me these questions, and it is free with Fast Track, so I could be trying it out. Still in that trade ace? Morning, USC. I think the Fast Track one is full featured, so I gotta look though. I'm not sure if they have the copy trading, because they didn't allow the copy trading across multiple firms on Quant Tower, their version of Quant Tower, so I'll have to see. Hey, Burrell, how's your area in North Carolina? Did you guys get hit hard there from Helene, and are you all cleaned up, or how's it going there? Ouch. So how much? How big was the stop, Ace? Ooh, 1 point stop. Does that mean K-pop needs to throw up her supper from last night? That's good. Who all do I have accounts with right now? Hmm. Good question. 3 with Fast Track, 1 eval with Bulenox, 1 eval with Phidias, 1 funded account with Apex, 4 funded accounts with Topstep, 1 Topstep eval, 1 funded account with MyFundedFutures, and 1 funded account with, 1 eval with Funded Futures Network. Yeah, when I lost power for 3 days last year, I lost everything in my freezer. Pulling back here, we have just a few minutes till the bell. So I just saw a Mr. G, if you're still here, I just saw a news report that says that traffic is bumper to bumper outside of Tampa. Someone's only traveled 118 miles in 5.5 hours, and most of the gas stations are out of gas. Fried chicken, bro. If her school lunch is anything like my school lunches were, she probably appreciates that. Gold falling big time there again. Rock you like a hurricane. Your buddy at the CME not giving you any clues today, Ace. Oh, wow. Look at this burst right here before the bell. Oh, I hate that, JC. Coming down. Ouch. This is why so many people have that internal fight about whether they should move their stop to break even or not for situations just like that.
I went short there, but that's not working out. Well, maybe. Yep, target hit there. I took a small target to the 100 EMA. I'm happy with that. That's a small win. Not sure how small. Hold on. Yeah, not horrible. 5.5 points. I'll take it. And a bounce, so I think I did good there. Especially if you have fleas. Buenos dias, son. Especially if you have poison ivy.
Bounces back up, bounces back down.
It's like a yo-yo. Back down. Where's it gonna go? ES falling quick. NQ not cool. Ooh, wow, Dow dying. It's a dying Dow. Sorry, RJ is missing. Short. Oh, it's gonna follow me up, isn't it? Maybe not. Come on, fall. Yeah, that was probably a mistake trade. Yep, bounced off the Bollinger's and the 100. That was an idiot trade. Hold on, Joe. Come on back down, baby. Yeah, there we go. Wow. Alright, gave me a chance to get out. I did not take it. And now it's going to bite me out. I could have got out for break even, and instead I took the loss. Stupid.
And I didn't take the blue candle back up. That one was the good one. Nice bounce off the 100 EMA. Why I didn't take it, I don't know. Wow, that went 20 points too. That went perfect. But, okay. That's the way we want to play. Did you get a win ace there? I'm not sure. Wasn't sure if you were short or long either. Oh, wait. Short ES 79 cents. Okay, there you go. I'm sorry. I wasn't. Wait, did you just get 10 points? How many points did you get? Me? Yeah, I still got the Bollingers on there. Rising up. Yeah, that blue candle was a perfect bounce, not only off the Bollinger, but off the 100. It was everything I ever looked for in life, and I didn't take it. Okay. Awesome, Ace. Good job. Time for bust duty, Ace. Bouncing off that trigger point. It's an interesting area. But bounces off the 9, so I'm not trusting it, but watch it go. Tomorrow morning, we will have Matt from Phidias Trading here. Ace, remember when you made the suggestion about Matt from Phidias Trading coming on and trading with me? Sometime tomorrow morning, that's going to happen. I don't know the exact time, but he'll be here. I think it's going to be after the bell, but I'm not sure. And I think a week from today, RJ and I are doing an all-day stream. That purple candle worked, unfortunately. Now we're really falling. So, look how that's respected that trigger point. Bounces off the 100 EMA.
Bouncing back up. I didn't take it, but let's see if it gets through this trigger point. And back down. Another bounce off that trigger point. Short. Gonna try to bounce. Put my stop on that trigger point. That's gonna be a huge stop. I don't like that. I might get out early though. It kind of bounced on the EMAs there. I couldn't get back through the EMAs. Ouch, yep, out. Frustrated. Why don't we bother getting funded accounts? They're gonna get a payout. And if I had kept the stop above that purple candle, I would not be out. Whatever. That's frustrating. Didn't trust my strategy there. That's frustrating. So if I had stayed in that trade at 10, I was in at 090, and you see that got down to 072. But yeah, that was a lot of heat to take. But I should have been willing to take it. Bouncing now. hanging on the EMAs. Choppy.
Blue candle bounce. Ghost, I thought that was a done deal. I mean, they've already made their, they've already signed a deal with Las Vegas and got approval to move. They've played their last game in Oakland. They'll be playing in Sacramento next year for the next 2 or 3 years, and then moving to Las Vegas. Bouncing again. Again, look at that, hitting that trigger point and just not going through it. Now, every time it hits it, supposedly it gets a little bit weaker, so we could see it finally go through here, but I wouldn't take it long there. That's a pretty dire situation. I'm going to program in some circus music for you, aren't I? There, it's trying to break that trigger point. Big candle though, 15 points into the bands. Yeah, the Coliseum is horrible. I mean, I would love to see them stay in Oakland. You guys, you know, just not sure Vegas. Um, have a good day, Crypt. Well, they were originally in Philadelphia. I should have taken this blue candle. Now we're finally seeing the rise up. Oh, we're at high. Didn't even realize we were at high day. But well, a lot to go before we get to yesterday's high on regular trading hours, 187. Yep. Wow. Yeah, that place needs to be demolished. Yep, Connie Mack. Still rising. Scrolls up to see if I thought I saw Ace say he was done. Picked up 2 and my runner got 3 is all. I'm done. Yeah, he did say that. Okay. Still rising here on NQ. Yeah, I mean, I can't, I'll be surprised if they get a deal done because they tried for so many years, but never say never. Never say never. Yeah, I mean, it'd be a shame if Oakland no longer has any big sports. Feels like it's exhausting here, but we'll see. Yeah, that's already. They're moving to San Francisco, aren't they? Or didn't they? I mean, I don't know. I don't follow basketball, but I had every article was reading about the A's. I thought it said they already lost the Warriors. Batch cooking Ace. It's for a week. It's not the same piece of chicken that's been frying for an hour. Oh, okay. Took the short off this purple. Looking for the 9. Yep, 10 pounds is being fried up. I lie, 8 pounds. 10 pounds. I forget. They're either 4 or 5 pound bags, and there's 2 of them. It's going to stop me out again. Nothing working today. Yes, Hassan, yes. Why do it late? Okay, I gotta just start taking the longs.
Nice, Ace. That's a 36-point candle. Rising up. I was gonna say that, but but you're up to almost 10 points on it. So once it finally broke that resistance, it really broke it. Smashed it. Destroyed it. Bashed its head in.
The bond's giving you fits today, Platt?
Q just sitting here now. Purple candle. Bounces off the 9. Down to the 9 again. I did get a win on my Top Step Combine. That's still a good trade there, Ace. Hey, even if it did break your rules. And now down it comes. Down goes Frazier. Wonders if Rad's behind on the stream or just Red back.
That's okay.
Back up. Purple candle tried to fake me out. Back up with the blue. Trying to decide where it wants to go. What it wants to do with its life.
Gold trying to bounce.
Hang in here. Everyone got really quiet. Be very quiet. I'm hunting NQ. I see NQ rising. Just sitting on this 9 EMA. Sitting on this 9 EMA. Watching candles form away. Taking the short, going with momentum. Just want it down to the 9, or the 20, I mean. See if we can get it. Nope. Maybe. Wow. Whip down and then right back up. Dang. This won't go. Got 3 ticks there. Yeah, it could have helped. I'm very sorry to hear that, Ghost. Down. Sitting here, now deciding where it wants to go.
Still looks like it wants to come down. Pops up.
Bounces. Right back down with a purple. Strong purple. It's a Barney. I love you. You love me. Oh, too strong of a purple now. Maybe. I don't know. Pulls back. I hate candles like that. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family. With a great big hug from and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Target hit. It does love me. Okay.
Guys, every time I enter a trade, I need to sing the Barney song.
Relax, Ace.
Everybody has a little vice here and there. We're not hounding you for breaking your rules today. RJ Wheel, have you taken any trades this morning? Sounds like a green day overall, correct, RJ? Look at gold. Gold's giving it all back. Crude, wow, look at this drop on crude, guys. Has things settled into, this is a 5-point range on crude oil. That's a huge day for crude. But it looks like it did almost similar yesterday, the other way. Nothing that I've seen major, Ghost. Bouncing, but I don't like this price action. Towel, not the towel. Pops up. This is bordering on politics talk, guys. Blue candle. Do I sing the Barney song again if it comes? No, no, you're okay, Ghost. I'm not really yelling. I know this stuff can quickly spiral. So I'm just. I mean, we have to talk about it some because it does affect things. You know, it does affect markets, but trying to figure out, who's going to do what and how or what should be done starts. People start sniping at one another, and next thing I know, it's like Fast Track Trades' Discord. No, but no need to be sorry. I'm just very protective of this community that I don't want to see. I've seen politics destroy too many good communities online. Hassan, not only does it exist, Scott has agreed to give me an interview. Like, not like I'm not applying for a job there. I mean, like he's gonna for my channel. Time hasn't been set. Sage, you'll get back to me ASAP about a time. Told him I'm available for it anytime I'm not live streaming. Ace, I'm going to mute the mic every time a train comes from now on. Got a half an hour to go in the stream. I'm down. I'm pretty red right now. Hopefully we can mount a comeback. Okie doke. I don't know if you heard me earlier, Ace, but remember when you watched that live stream with Matt from Tiresias Trading? That one day you suggested that he come on during my stream one day. That's happening tomorrow. I'm not sure exactly what time he'll be here. I think it's after the bell, but I'm not 100% sure. Mine's been doing that lately too, Ghost. You sometimes even hear him in the stream. Nice rise up. Gold's still dumping hard. Look at that. Ultra Bond also not having a good day. Copper's rebounding some. Crude's still falling. NQ rising. I see NQ rising. Pulls back here. This might be a fall. I missed this right here. Gold a little pop there. Platinum falling hard. Sitting here on the 9. 20 minutes left in the stream. We're not going to get back to green, but it'd be nice to get one more good trade.
Purple candle. Bouncing on the 20. Hard fought win. Those can be very satisfying and they're wrecking. Nice. Very nice USC. Yeah, it might. Ghost. Alright, Crypt. Welcome back. Is that a good wow or a bad wow? Excellent. Nice, RJ. That was a 50-point pop out of nowhere. Let's see if there was news on that nowhere pop. Brent falls on $80 on talk of Lebanon-Israel ceasefire. That's why crude is falling. And there's hitting that resistance 1 on the trigger point. Let's see how it does. Resistance 2 is much further above. Looks like at about 2083-ish. I can't tell from this view. Still can't tell.
Ah, darn, I missed whatever Hassan retracted. Bounces off that trigger point. RJ. Week away. So I guess we're a week away, RJ. No, week from tomorrow that we'll be doing our all day stream. Still falling. Oh, absolutely, RJ. We need more fun, and I like seeing the chat livened up. Boss. Depending how this interview goes with Scott from Fast Track, Stream and the channel could be getting a lot more exposure. Which may or may not be a good thing. It is kind of a cool handle. Just a good old boy. Didn't trust this blue. Let's see if I should have. Very big game. Because I don't want to have to rely on Ranger Suarez to have to pitch a do or die game tomorrow. Still continuing down here. The only thing I don't like about afternoon games, RJ, is the shadows come into play so much when it gets hard to see the hit. And it just seems like it's... I mean, I know it affects both teams the same, but still. See, I don't watch any other TV at all. Although Hallmark Christmas movies start soon. That's the other thing with me. I'm always up until, you know, midnight anyway. Yeah, except for those Sunday morning games that come on at 10 a.m. for them. when their teams are in the East. Blue candle, I don't know if I want to trust that. What the hell? We're going to try it real quick. It seemed to hit a wall there. Come on. Ah. That didn't work out. Went about 6 points. I went for 10, and now it's going to stop me out for a loss. That hurts. That's how we'll finish our stream today. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. At some point tomorrow, Matt from Phidias Trading will be joining us. Hope everyone has a great day. We will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.